This is a short video on how to load sheet film into a double dark slide. This is a double dark slide. It holds two pieces of film. That's the dark slide, and that's got a black edge to it. And when I turn it over, you'll see it has a white edge. It depends on what your preference is, but if you want to have the dark edge indicating later on that the film behind there is unexposed, then leave the dark edge up. That's my preference. Other photographers choose the opposite. So a double dark slide, two pieces of film in a single film holder. It's different to a graphmatic back. A graphmatic back is heavier, a bit thicker. It takes 6 sheets of film, and it has a dark slide that moves like so. Okay. The advantage with this is, of course, that you can actually carry more film with you when you're backpacking. Each film has to be loaded into those sleeves, so there's 6 individual metallic sleeves there. So we'll just focus on the double dark. Now, everything that I'm about to do, apart from cleaning the double dark of dust, should be done in a dark room or in a change bag. In other words, you can't do this under room light, and you can't have any light getting to the film. So the first thing to do is to actually clean off your double dark slides or your film holders. I use just a blower brush. Make sure you clean inside. Open up the double dark there. Give it a good clean on both sides and have them ready. Okay. Dust is probably the biggest problem apart from scratches in terms of defects when loading sheet film. This is a film box. This one's obviously Kodak T-Max. It had 50 sheets in it of 4x5. When you open this, you need to be in total darkness. To open it, you would cut the adhesive tabs across here, and in the dark open that up, and then you would be presented with another box within a box, and you can feel through those cutout sections there that you can leverage the two boxes apart, and then you will be presented with the third box, and this contains the film, usually in a hermetically sealed envelope, sometimes in paper. Take it out. There's usually a notch on the hermetically sealed ones for tearing, right? So you tear straight down there. This one's already been torn, and you'd reach in and you'd pull out the film, and the film usually is between 2 cardboard protectors. So still in total darkness, you put the film inside the third container so that you can reach in and identify, and see how I'm leveraging the cardboard apart. I want to run my fingers along the edge of the film and see if I can feel notches. Now I can feel notches there on the top left, but on the other side there'll be no notches. So I want the notches to the top, and I want to turn it around so that they would be to the top and to the right when they face me, when the sheets face me in a portrait fashion. The reason I want that is so that the film is loaded into the double dark emulsion side up. So now I open the double dark up, and I reach for a piece of film, And notice how I'm reaching for it and holding it by the edges. Okay. And the film slides into the double dark beneath those two tabs, and then sits inside the double dark and sits clear of these two raised plastic tabs. That allows that flap to close and the door or the double dark to close fully. That is now light tight, but remember, this film still could be exposed to light, so it must stay in total darkness. Turn the little tab here and that locks that dark slide from moving. Flip the double dark over and then repeat the process. Go back to the box. From the edges of the film, grab a sheet, give yourself some room, slide, you'll notice as the film comes under the tabs there of the double dark, it will slide easily and all the way in. Again, you'll feel that, and in dark, if you're not sure, you can actually just touch that tab with your fingernail. There you are. Close that back down, and that's it.